Hello, my dear students and my dear friends. How are you all? I hope so that you all are good. Friends, you know that I am Purindan and my channel is basically based on posting of motivational videos and posting of videos in relation to history, civics of India and of the world. Dear children and dear friends, thank you so much everyone that you all are giving me full support, and thank you so much to all my critics also, because I am learning a lot from you all, and this is the, you can say, way of learning. We should learn from the well-wishers and as well as from the critics also. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Now, dear children and dear friends, actually, if you remember, in a particular video, I was discussing about that critics, actually, they are not our enemy. They are our friends. All are, every person you can say around us is our friend. So don't worry, just do your work like I am doing my work. Thank you so much everyone. God bless you all. Dear children and dear friends, today I am here to discuss some important question with regard to the Constitution of India. And here in this video, I will discuss about some important question with regard to the Constitution of India. As you know that in my previous video, I was discussing about some important question with regard to the first war of independence in my previous video. And here in this video, the Constitution of India is the topic. Dear children and dear friends, without taking so much of time, let's start our work. Now, the first important question with regard to the Constitution of India is, this is the first question. Please read the question carefully. Now, question number 1, when did the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? I am repeating the question. When did the Constitution of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? Answer to this question is on 26 November 1949. On 26 November 1949. So I think so you all have got the answer. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much all my well-wishers. Again, thank you so much all my critics. Now, dear children and dear friends, next question which I am putting in front of you, question number 2. Question number 2. This is the question number 2. When did the Constitution of India came into force? When did the Constitution of India came into force? Answer to this question is on 26 January 1950. On 26 January 1950. I think so you all have got the question number answer to the question number 2 also. Dear children and dear friends, now after question number 2, question number 3. This is the question number 3. Please read the question carefully. Question number 3 is, when did the objective resolution was passed by the Constituent Assembly? When did the objective resolution was passed by the Constituent Assembly? Answer to this question is 22nd January 1947. Please pay attention here. 22nd January 1947. So this was the answer to the question number 3. I think so you all are enjoying the video. Okay, so dear children and dear friend, now the next question with regard to the Constitution of India, question number 4. After question number 3, question number 4. Please read the question carefully. Name the body which framed the Constitution of India. Name the body which framed the Constitution of India. Answer to this question is Constituent Assembly. Okay, Constituent Assembly. So I think so, children, you have got the answer. Now, after question number 4, this is the question number 5. This is the question number 5. Dear children and dear friends, question number 5 is, who was the chairman of drafting committee? Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Answer to this question is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Alright, I think so you all have got the answer number 5 also. So after the 5th question, this is the 6th question. This is the 6th question. Okay, now the 6th question is, How much time period, please listen to the question carefully, how much time period was taken by the Constituent Assembly to complete the task of drafting the Constitution? Answer to this question is almost 3 years. It means 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to be precise. Alright. So I think so, dear children and dear friends, you all have got the answer number 6 also after the 6th question. Now this is the 7th question. This is the 7th question. Please read the question carefully. Name the longest written constitution in the world. Name the longest written constitution in the world. Answer to this question is the Constitution of India. Here in this video we are talking about the Constitution of India. So children, actually this question is very important. The Constitution of India is actually the longest written constitution in the world. So I think so you all have got the answer number 7 also. After the 7th question, this is the 8th question. Please read the question carefully. Now the 8th question is when do we celebrate Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, or also known as National Law Day? So children, actually this is on 26th November every year we celebrate Constitution Day. And children, one more thing I want to tell you about this, that in upcoming videos definitely I'll discuss about the Constitution Day and you will come to know about the Constitution Day also. So please keep watching my channel. And after this question, the next question is, please read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Next question is actually the question number 9, and the question number 9 is name any two sources of Indian Constitution. Name any two sources of Indian Constitution. Answer to this question is Constitution of the United States of America. Actually they are talking about two. So Constitution of the United States of America and the British Constitution. So dear children and dear friends, I think so you all have enjoyed this video and you all are, I think so, gaining a lot from my channel. This is my promise. I'll try my best and I'll keep on posting the videos for your benefit. I'll try my best to make things easier for you. This is my promise. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay blessed everyone. Take care of yourself and your family and the people around you. God bless you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. 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 Jai